children. Today again we are going to prepare one more interesting activity. Are you interested to prepare your favorite character Bunny? Let's prepare it. Okay? So the materials required for the activity are a rough paper, a strip of paper, pencil, a scissor and Fevicol. Okay? So first of all children, we have to take that rough paper and fold it in this way so that these two corners will be in one level. Okay? Very simply, and it is very easy also. Okay? Then after we have to fold this side in this way. Okay? Little carefully you have to do children, this one, because we require a small fold over here. Then one more fold we need to have. So another fold is there. Do it little carefully, and then after make it little sharp by pressing it. Now hold it in your hand and turn these corners in front side, and this corner you insert in the other corner. But before inserting, just apply some Fevicol so that it will stick there. In this way children, if you apply some Fevicol, it will get stick in this way. Okay? Over. Now keep it aside for some time so it will get dry. Then after, take the strip of paper, fold it vertically in this way, then fold it again in this way, and then after draw the open end should be in front, and from open end you will draw the leaf like structure in this way. Okay, and again like this. Okay children, so a leaf like shape you will draw, and then after you have to cut this. Okay, so in this way you will cut the leaves from the paper. So we'll get this type of structure. Okay, now these leaves you have to stick here in this way. So again we require Fevicol. We'll apply on it here so we can stick it here, and then stick these leaves here. Okay, and make the leaves little upward. Their corners or apices you just fold it upward in this way. Your rabbit is ready. See? So after attaching this ears, see how it looks, and if you hold in your hand how they move. See children, your bunny is ready. Okay? Now we'll see the working of it. So every time in discovery we learn the scientific concept. So for this bunny also there is one scientific concept children. So when we launch it, it goes very smoothly towards the ground. It lands smoothly on the ground. And what is the reason behind this? These two ears, ear-like structure. These are nothing but working like wings of the bird. How birds fly smoothly in the air, same way this also flies smoothly and land towards on the ground with the help of these two structures. Okay children, so I hope you enjoyed this activity and you will learn the concept behind it. Thank you.